Hey guys, welcome back to the Bits Unlocked channel. Today, we're going to learn how to display shortcut settings in Visual Studio Code. This can be very useful for customizing your development environment and increasing your productivity. With VS Code open, press the shortcut keys Ctrl-K and then Ctrl-S on Windows or Linux. On macOS, press Command-K and then Command-S. Now that we've got to the shortcut settings, you can see the full list of shortcuts available in Visual Studio Code. If you are looking for a specific shortcut, you can use the search function. Just start typing the name or function you're looking for. VS Code will filter shortcuts matching your search. And that's it. Now you know how to display shortcut settings in VS Code using simple shortcut keys. This makes customizing your development environment much easier. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this one. Thanks for watching.